In this tutorial, I'll show you how to automatically add photos to Google Drive on Android. Before you begin, ensure you have the Google Drive app downloaded and installed on your Android device. You can download it from the Google Play Store. Open the Google Drive app on your Android device and tap the menu icon, located at the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, find and tap Auto Add. This option will enable your photos to be automatically added to Google Drive. You can now view and edit your photos using the Google Drive app or the Google Photos app. If the backup fails, follow the same troubleshooting steps as provided for iOS devices. These helps typically include checking your internet connection, ensuring you have enough storage space in the Google Drive, and making sure that the Google Drive app has the necessary permissions to access your photos. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.